Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you part 2 of how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So, in the first part, you learned how to solve this first layer here. But in this part, we're going to be learning how to solve the second layer. So, this is the second layer completed. And then in part 3, we'll be moving on to solving the whole cube. So, let's get started. So once you've completed your first face, you're going to want to put that down on the bottom so we can work on the second layer. So first you're going to be looking out for edge pieces, and you can see where they go. Like I can see that there's this orange and green here which can go in there, then there's this red and green which can go there, and so on. So what you want to find is the first one that you're going to use. So here I see that I've got this blue and orange here, and I'm gonna line the blue up with the blue center to my right. So there we go. And once you've lined it up, you just do a quick algorithm to put it in its right place. And there it's in. But there is another case you can get. If that edge piece is flipped, you'd be doing it in a different way. So I'll just quickly get that case. So the case I've got here is if the orange was facing me instead of the blue was on the last case. So I'd just line it up with the orange center and do the algorithm in the opposite way. And there it's solved. So that's what you do. So you just turn it in the different direction if it's if you've got a different color facing you. Alright, so now I'll move on to the next piece. So this is the red and green. So oh yeah, seeing as I'm using the white face pointing bottom, I won't be looking out for any yellow pieces because they just don't go on the edge slots there. They'll be saved for the last layer. So anyway, I'll just line it up with its correct piece and then do the algorithm. So if it was seeing as the edge, the slot it needs to go in is to the right, I'll turn and do the algorithm to the left. As you can see, I just did it there. And when I move on to the next piece, which is this green and orange here, I'll be, seeing as the slot it needs to go in is on the right, I'll be doing the algorithm to the left. And on to the last one, which is right here. Yep, seeing as the slot is to the right again, I'll just be doing the algorithm to the left again. And there it is inserted. But there is one other case I didn't talk about, so I'll just quickly get that and explain how that works. So let's say the piece is already in its correct slot, but it's just oriented incorrectly. What you have to do for this is you have to just get a random piece on the top and pretend that it's the piece that needs to go in that slot, so that you can replace that piece and get it out and then insert it using the algorithm properly. So I'll just use this piece here, the yellow and blue, and I'll just line that up with the red, and seeing as the slot's to the left, I'll do the algorithm to the right. And there, I've got the piece out, I've put the blue and yellow in, and now I'll just put in the red and blue. So the slot's to the left, so I'll do the algorithm to the right. So that pretty much sums up how to solve the second layer on the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Hope you enjoyed the video, hope it helped, thank you.